Meaning of indignity.
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 Indignity. Indignity refers to an act or behavior that offends or humiliates someone's dignity or self-respect. It can also refer to circumstances that make someone feel degraded, insulted, or disrespected. Experiencing indignity can have a negative impact on a person's emotional well-being and can lead to feelings of anger, shame, and embarrassment. Being subjected to indignity can cause a loss of confidence and self-esteem, and can create social and interpersonal problems. Overall, the experience of indignity can be damaging and should be avoided in order to promote positive relationships and social interactions.